In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ucard at Sam's Club. Before you start shopping, the first thing you should do is verify your Ucard benefits. This is important because not every plan covers the same types of purchases and not every store is always included under every benefit. Take a moment to confirm that your Ucard includes either an over-the-counter benefit or a healthy food benefit, depending on what you plan to buy. You'll also want to make sure Sam's Club is an approved retailer under your specific plan and that you still have an available balance on the card. Doing this ahead of time can help you avoid surprises at checkout and make the whole process much smoother. Once that's confirmed, you can shop for eligible items. Depending on your plan, this may include things like over-the-counter medications, first aid supplies, personal care products, and healthy foods or groceries. The key thing to remember here is that eligibility depends on your plan, so some products may qualify while others may not. As you shop, keep in mind that any items not covered by your benefit will need to be paid for separately later. When you're ready, head to checkout. It's best to use a staffed checkout lane for this process. At the register, begin by scanning your Sam's Club membership. After that, let the cashier know that you'd like to pay with your Ucard. When prompted, you can swipe, insert, or tap your Ucard, depending on the payment terminal. Letting the cashier know in advance can help ensure the payment is handled correctly and that eligible items are processed the right way. If your cart includes both covered and non-covered items, the transaction will usually split automatically. Your Ucard will apply payment to eligible purchases first. Then, if there's any remaining balance for items your plan doesn't cover, you'll need to pay that amount using another accepted payment method. This could be a debit card, credit card, cash, or another approved option accepted by the store. It's a good idea to be prepared with a backup payment method just in case. After the transaction is complete, make sure to keep your receipt. Take a quick look over it to confirm that the Ucard payment was applied correctly to the eligible items and that any remaining balance was paid using your secondary payment method. Reviewing the receipt right away can help